guys, my name is Mohammed Hassan. Hello guys, my name is Mohammed Hussain. And today we bought this PS5. We're gonna use it, okay? And this is the controller, but we bought two controllers. One is in this box, and one controller is in this box, and one controller in this box. And let's continue. First, we're gonna open the PS5. What is this, guys? And this is the charger of the controller, and this is the connection, I think. And I think this is another controller connection, I think. And I don't know what this. I don't know what all these are. Yeah, I think that's the stand of the PS5. And this is the brand new controller. Yes. So there is more inside there. So let's put these down here, and we're gonna connect it. Okay. We're gonna connect it. And this is the controller. And I can't wait to open this. I ever buy this first time, bro. I'm gonna hold it, but we actually buy this controller. Stop, okay? Guys, we have this PS5. Let's open it together. You hold this side, I hold this side. Okay. Wow! This is the best PS5 I've ever seen. And this is the logo. Guys, now we're gonna connect this to this TV. Yay! Okay. Finally! Stop it! Stop! This is the rest of the. We have to do the